Okay, your exercise for this module, you've been asked to compare and do an analysis of two projects, a CRM project and a data warehousing project, to determine which is the best project to fund. And as we know, there are two components to this analysis. One is the financial analysis, and the other is the strategic business case, which covers more the qualitative factors in terms of which is a better investment. So let's talk now about the financial analysis. And so to compare the two projects from a financial standpoint, you're going to compute the net present value for each of these projects to compare them for your financial case. And so what I did here is I copied some numbers from Exhibit 6 in the article, that is, and just copied them into an Excel spreadsheet. You can see here where I have these are the benefits over time, expected benefits for the project, the benefits stream. It's in terms of cost savings, so this is a cost reducing type of project. We have our initial development cost that total over $2.8 million. For the sake of this example, let's assume that these costs occur at the end of 2006. And then we have our ongoing operating costs associated with the data warehousing project that kick in year 2. Consulting fees drop. Additional staff costs, you can see they rise over time. ISP fees and certainly software and hardware maintenance fees increase over time. So these are the total operating costs here at the end of each year. And what I've done here is it isn't in the case. I just simply added a row, net cash flow, which just reduces the expected benefits by the costs. Of course, in year 1, it's going to be a negative. There's no benefit, but you've just spent $2.8 million on this project. Year 2, 2007, $2 million in expected cost savings, reduced by over $800,000 in operating costs, and so this is your net benefit. And so this is your expected cash flow stream over time. Now, let's do net present value here, net present value calculation. And it's real easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to assume net present value it's the present value of expected cash flows at some assumed discount rate. So what you're doing is you're taking these future expected cash flow streams and you're discounting them to the present value, again, with an assumed discount rate. And I want you to use 15% for both of these cases. I know that seems kind of high, but we wanted the numbers to work out a certain way. So I say we, me and my co-author on this case. So net present value is pretty straightforward here. Go to formulas, financial formulas, NPV. Okay, so the rate is we're going to put in 0.15. That's the annual rate. And now we're going to put in the cash flow stream. And we're just going to hit OK. And bingo, there we have it. So for this particular project, the data warehousing project, the expected net present value, this cash flow stream over 6 years in present value terms using a 15% discount rate or cost of capital is just over $2 million, $2,083,816. So do this and then do the same type of calculation for the CRM project, and then see what you come up with, and that'll be your financial case.